Welcome to Vishal Explains. Today, we're diving into the world of Python coding. I'm here to guide you through the process of creating and understanding Python programs. In this video, we'll be exploring a simple guessing game, so let's jump right in. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about Python coding and trying out our guessing game. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials and challenges. Until next time, happy coding!